There's a few ways to mute a Samsung phone like this, and there's actually a couple of different modes when it comes to silencing your phone. If you swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, you can adjust the volume here, but you can also tap the volume icon on the right side of your screen. Tapping it cycles through three different modes: sound on, vibration mode, and mute. Those are all pretty self-explanatory. One has sounds, one will only vibrate, and one is fully silent. If you press and hold the sound icon, it'll take you to the sounds and vibration settings, where you can adjust things a little further. You can change between the modes and adjust settings like vibration intensity. One cool shortcut can be accessed by using the physical volume buttons on the side of your phone. When using the buttons to change volume, you'll see three little dots on the top of your volume slider. Tap that, and you can adjust the volume individually for different functions. There's a separate slider for your media volume, which is music and video playback. There's another for ringtones and the AI assistant, notifications, and system sounds. This allows you to lower the volume for certain things, while keeping the volume higher for the things you care about. And obviously, if you want to fully mute your phone, tap that volume button like I showed in the beginning. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and go check out my Android playlist for more quick, short guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.